Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers, right? So first of all, of course, you have to just open the TikTok and make sure your TikTok is updated to this latest version. Okay, now on the bottom right side corner, you will see a profile icon. Just click over there. Now after that, you have to make sure that you can just go live by the clicking on the plus icon, and you can just try to go live. Okay, but if you can't, then of course you have to click on the top right side corner, which is called the three lines. Okay, and after that just go to and make sure you are in the creator tool. Right after that, you will get this option of just going live over the TikTok. Right, just go to the setting and privacy, and here you have to scroll a little bit down, because in the rules of TikTok it is written that you cannot go live without having 1000 followers, but some creator TikTok allow it. So maybe for you it can allow you, but you have to ask them personally, and they will activate your account from their side. So you have to just click on report a problem. Okay, now here you have to make sure just scroll a little bit down and just go to the live section. Right, once you go to the live section, again wait for a few seconds, and here just click on live is suspended. Right, and just wait. After that, you have to click on no. Right, and it will give you one more option, that is click on need more help. And after that, guys, this is very important. Here you can just write it exactly what problem you're facing, that you are not getting this live option, and you are a creator and you create a very good content, and you just want to interact with your audience over the live. Right, and here is a screenshot image. Just click over there and make sure to upload your screenshot where you are not getting this option of going live. So after that, within a few days or within under 1 week, TikTok will reply you in your email address, and after that they will allow you to go live over the TikTok. Right, so this is pretty easy, guys. I hope you found this video really useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.